Hello all of you. I am starting the demonstration of urinary bladder. So this is the bladder. First I am showing you the all aspect of the urinary bladder. So ऐसे ये कुछ दिख रहा है. And this urinary bladder is present in the pelvic cavity. इसके दोनों साइड में pelvic bones present होती हैं. यहाँ पे pelvic bone आएगी, यहाँ पे pelvic bone आएगी, यानी कि hip bone आएगी, hip bone आएगी यहाँ पे भी. Now the surfaces, parts and borders of the urinary bladder. So here मैंने इसको ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है bladder को. And one more thing, this is an empty bladder. So this part of the bladder, this one, this is the superior surface of the bladder and this is the base of the bladder जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी colored structures present हैं. Base और posterior surface we can also say it. This is the posterior surface or base of the bladder. This is the superior surface of the bladder and here are two surfaces of the bladder. One and one directed to the lateral side and inferiorly, तो इनको बोलेंगे inferolateral surfaces of the bladder. So total it has three surfaces, two inferolateral surfaces and one is superior surface. And between surfaces there are some demarcations are there जिनको borders बोलते हैं. तो ये superior surface है, ये inferolateral surface है, इसके बीच में ये जो demarcated part है this is the lateral border क्योंकि ये lateral side में present है. अगर ये इधर present होता तो इसको कुछ और बोलते. So this is the lateral border. There is one more border that is lateral border because there are two inferolateral surfaces. So total it has three surfaces, superior surface and two inferolateral surfaces and one base. If it has a base, so it means there should be apex also. So this is the apex of the bladder. यहाँ पे एक ligament attach है इसके साथ में. This ligament is the median umbilical ligament. Median umbilical ligament, as name suggests, it is attached to the umbilicus and actually it is a remnant of the urachus which is present in the embryonic life. So this is the median umbilical ligament. It is attached to the apex of the urinary bladder. This is the superior surface and there are the two inferolateral surfaces and both the inferolateral surfaces are separated by this border. This is the anterior border, lateral borders 2 and here this is the posterior border which is separating this superior surface to the base. So total it has 4 borders and 3 surfaces, an apex and a base. So फिर से repeat करते हैं, surfaces से start करते हैं. Superior surface, 2 inferolateral surfaces, demarcated point, anterior border, lateral border and posterior border. Clear? The structure which is attached to the apex, that is a ligament, median umbilical ligament, and this bladder is belong to the male because there are two sac-like elongated glands are present. These are the seminal vesicles and this sky colored structure is vas deferens or ductus deferens and this green colored structure is prostate gland. And here is the neck of the urinary bladder. It is the most fixed part of the bladder and it is interrupted by the internal urethral orifice. This is the internal urethral orifice. So this is about the gross features of the bladder. Again, it has a base which has so many structures are there because it is a male pelvis and behind there will be rectum and between the bladder and the rectum there is a pouch that is rectovesical pouch, vesical word we use for the bladder, and between the two ductus deferens, this triangular area, it is separated by the rectum by fascia, that is the fascia of Denon-Villiers or rectovesical fascia of Denon-Villiers, and the structures are seminal vesicle, prostate gland, ductus deferens, the posterior border, superior surface, base, 2 lateral borders are there and apex with umbilical ligament and this ligament is attached to the umbilicus, 2 inferolateral surfaces and the lateral border. So this is about the outer or external parts of the bladder. When we look at the interior of the bladder, तो यहाँ पे क्या किया हुआ है, यहाँ पे दोनों इंफीरियोलेटरल सर्फेसेस के बीच में कट लगाया हुआ है. दिस इज द सुपीरियर सर्फेस, इट इज़ कवर्ड विद द पेरिटोनियम. दिस इज़ द बेस। तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों इंफीरियर लेटरल सर्फेसिस के बीच में यानी कि एंटीरियर बॉर्डर पे कट लगा दिया। जब उस पे कट लगाया तो बीच में वी कैन सी देर आर irregular folds of the mucosa are present in the interior aspect of the bladder, but at one point or just opposite to the base the mucosa is smooth and here a triangle like structure is forming. This is the trigone of the bladder, and in this trigone we can see the two openings. These two openings are for ureter. So this is the interureteric ridge, and at the lowermost part, as this is a triangle, so two openings are for ureter and this one opening is for internal urethral orifice. So this is a triangle like structure. It is known as trigone of the bladder. Number one, mucosa is smooth and it is present opposite to the base of the bladder, interior side, and this is the prostate gland, and this is the prostatic part of urethra. Prostatic part of urethra. So this is for opening of ureter. These are the ureters, these are the muscular tubes, and it opens into the urinary bladder, and here is the opening of two ureters, and this structure is trigone of bladder. So in the interior aspect of the bladder we should know the location of the trigone, and it is formed by the two ureteric points and one internal urethral orifice. So this is the trigone of bladder where the mucosa is smooth, and this is the part where the rough fold of the mucosa and irregular fold of the mucosa is present. And in this bladder, this is the superior surface, this is the apex where the ligament is present, this is the median umbilical ligament, this is the base, posterior border, and these are the two inferior lateral surfaces जहाँ पे कट लगा दिया है, और यहाँ पे था इसका anterior border. So this is an empty bladder, this is an empty bladder. Thank you.